Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely brilliant BMW S1000R Sport. Here we have a BMW S1000R Sport. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate with just 5,283 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in exceptional condition and comes in the red with the carbon effect infills. As you can see there, looking really nice. Also got a carbon fibre front mudguard and rear hugger. All the bodywork on the bike is absolutely pristine, just like everything on this bike. There's absolutely nothing to apologise for whatsoever. Engine protection there on the bottom of the engine and no sign of any paint flaking or bubbling there at all. You've got a little belly pan there and a spark exhaust. We do have a standard silencer for this one as well. All the bodywork there in great condition. As I said, no damage to the bar end lever or the mirror there. All the paintwork there, excellent. You've got an accessory seat as well, which I think is a Wunderlick rear seat, and all the bodywork there is good. Tail tidy as well. As you can see, absolutely superb condition, it really is. Back tyre, loads of life left in that one. And the rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches there. You've got anti-lock brakes, of course, so it's cornering ABS, electronic suspension, cruise control, heated grips, 4 riding modes, including the very sought after dynamic pro mode. Got the fly screen there as well, all that front sort of cowling and headlamp undamaged, no stone chips, in really lovely condition. This bike, it really is superb, and of course very low mileage for an S1000R, so a lot of these bikes have lots and lots of miles on because guess what, they're absolutely brilliant to ride. But this one has got very low mileage indeed. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one, and there's no damage to the carbon fibre front mudguard. The left hand side of the bike, well, it's the same story as the right, so no damage to the mirror, the bar end or the lever, all your cowling indicators, all the bodywork there in excellent condition, and the front wheel again all in superb order. The engine again, no sign of any corrosion, no paint flaking off, no bubbling up, anything like that. You've got that engine protection there as well. As I said, I think I mentioned the quick shifter already. If I didn't, there it is. It's a quick shifter on the bike as well. Petrol tank on this side, unmarked, as I said, just like the rest of the bike. It really is in fantastic condition. I know I keep saying it, but it is absolutely tip top. Rear shock in there, there's no corrosion there, no sign of any damage on the foot pegs. Chain sprockets, all in excellent condition with plenty of life left in them. And the rear wheel on this left hand side, again in excellent condition. So the top of the bike, no rips or tears in either of the seats. You've got a tank pad there as well. Tank all in great condition. Digital display, of course, there. Gives you all your modes and everything like that. There's all the buttons for the electronic suspension and cruise control, and your heated grips and modes on that side there. So if you are looking for a superb, low mileage, immaculate example of BMW's fantastic super naked, look no further than this stunning BMW S1000R Sport. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BMW, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.